Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to disable data saver mode for WhatsApp calls. This feature can be useful if you want to improve your call quality and don't mind using a bit more data. We've got an updated guide for you, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon, so go ahead and tap on that to get started. Once you're in the app, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. These dots are your gateway to the settings menu, so tap on them and select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. Now that you're in the settings, you'll see a list of options. We're looking for storage and data, so scroll down until you find it and give it a tap. This is where WhatsApp keeps all its data-related settings, including the one we want to change today. In the Storage and Data menu, you'll find various options for managing your WhatsApp data usage. What we're interested in is the Use Less Data for Calls toggle. You should see this option about halfway down the screen. By default, it's usually turned on to help save data. Here's the important part. To disable data saver mode for your WhatsApp calls, simply tap on the toggle switch next to Use Less Data for Calls to turn it off. When the switch is in the off position, you've successfully disabled data saver mode. And that's it. You've now turned off data saver mode for your WhatsApp calls. This means your calls might use a bit more data, but you could potentially experience better call quality as a result. Remember, if you ever want to turn this feature back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back to the on position. It's always good to keep an eye on your data usage, especially if you're on a limited data plan. Thanks for watching our updated guide on how to disable data saver mode for WhatsApp calls. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time.